Stop wasting time and money in your kitchen. These 25 Amazon gadgets are built to save both this month, and gadget number 4 pays for itself instantly. Enjoy pizzeria-quality pizza at home with the Piazzano XL 14-inch electric indoor pizza oven. Heating up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks delicious, crispy stone-baked pizzas in under 6 minutes. The dual heat control lets you customize top and bottom cooking for perfect results every time. Designed for countertops and complete with peels and a scraper, it's everything you need for fast, authentic pizza nights. Start your morning the smart way with the classic Retro 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile cooking station includes an egg and veggie steamer, a non-stick griddle for bacon or pancakes, and a wide 2-slot toaster with toasting control. Compact and stylish, it lets you prepare a complete breakfast quickly and conveniently, all in one place. Upgrade your cooking with the Astercook 21-piece non-stick ceramic cookware set. Featuring a detachable handle for easy storage, stackable design, and oven-safe, induction-ready performance, it delivers convenience and versatility, perfect for RVs or modern kitchens. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen electric shabu shabu pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable non-stick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Cook fast and efficiently with the Amschef Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. Adjustable Mandolin Slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with 1 pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker. This compact 8-inch non-stick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Pancake Batter Dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, IT won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Elevate your roasting with the hex-clad hybrid non-stick roasting pan. Dishwasher-friendly and oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers even cooking every time. Comes with a handy rack and works on all cooktops, making it perfect for juicy roasts, vegetables, and more. Durable, versatile, and effortless to clean, roasting has never been easier. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. The household double-head automatic dumpling maker mold makes homemade dumplings fast and easy. Featuring a double-head design, it helps you shape perfect dumplings in seconds. The built-in kneading pad, 2 dough pressing tools, and included spoon give you everything you need for quick preparation. Simply add filling, press, and seal with ease. Ideal for home kitchens or restaurants, this dumpling maker saves time while delivering consistent, professional-looking dumplings every time. Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Air Fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispy Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small, large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes while the 4 cutie fits of 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Easy storage. Ninja's Crispy Power Pod and clean crisp glassware nests together for mess-free storage in your cabinets. Crispy Container Adapter. Includes an adapter so the Crispy Power Pod can be used on the larger container. Bring movie night home with the West Bend Stir Crazy Hot Oil Popcorn Popper. The built-in stirring rod pops kernels evenly, while the large serving bowl lid doubles as a sharing bowl. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for parties, snack time, and fresh, delicious popcorn every time. Meet the patent design ribbed Snackle Box container, the perfect snack solution for travel and outdoor fun. This divided serving tray features 8 spacious compartments to keep fruits, veggies, charcuterie, and snacks neatly separated. With a secure lid and easy carry handle, it's portable, mess-free, and stylish. Ideal for beach trips, picnics, and family outings. Comes in a convenient 2-pack. Maximize your sink space with the 1/9 magnetic drainage filter basket. This punch-free, triangular strainer easily attaches with strong magnets and keeps your corner tidy. The twist-open bottom makes cleaning effortless, while the durable design handles scraps, food, and debris. Comes as a 2-pack, smart, space-saving, and hassle-free. Meet the Sturmax Midnight Blue 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With an automatic stirring paddle and 9 smart presets, it sautés, sears, and simmers perfectly without constant attention. Effortless cooking, delicious results every time. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, It organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack pizza plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Honey dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser, a stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless, the glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Keep your food fresh longer with the HWLDN Storage Vacuum Food Storage Container Set. This 6-piece BPA-free glass set includes a manual pump that removes air to lock in freshness. The leak-proof design is perfect for meal prep, marinating, and storing leftovers while keeping flavors and nutrients sealed in. Create fresh, healthy veggie noodles in seconds with the OXO Good Grips 3-blade handheld spiralizer. Designed for comfort and control, it features 3 stainless steel blades to make spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon cuts. The non-slip grip ensures safe, easy use, while the compact design makes storage simple. Perfect for zucchini, carrots, and more, healthy meals made effortless. Start your day effortlessly with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick dual griddles, it cooks eggs, meat, sausage, bacon, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches all at once. The 2-slice toast drawer and easy-to-use timer make breakfast prep simple and fast, helping you enjoy a delicious, complete meal in one convenient station. Manual chicken breast grinder. Premium material chicken shredder tool is made of high-quality food-grade material, BPA-free and heat-resistant. Make it safe, sturdy, and durable. Effective shredding cut cooked meat into small pieces and place in the food shredder and cover. Turn the lid with the handle to shred the meat in seconds. Dishwasher Safe Meat Shredder Tool Twist is heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Allows the chicken breast shredder machine to be conveniently put in the dishwasher for cleaning without worrying about melting. Anti-skid base shredded chicken tool is fitted with non-slip adhesive strips that add stability and keep the meat shredder machine in place during use. This ensures comfortable and easy operation even during heavy use. Great kitchen helper, perfect for fitness enthusiasts, barbecue lovers, or those who love to cook. This meat grinder effectively shreds chicken, pork, beef, and other vegetables, widely used for tacos, quesadillas, and barbecue pork. Slice, shred, and chop with ease using the Yucaba cabbage kitchen knife. Designed for fast, uniform cuts, it's perfect for coleslaw, sauerkraut, and fresh salads. Sharp, durable, and easy to handle, this all-in-one slicer saves time and delivers perfect results every time. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel. Fresh espresso, anytime, anywhere. Maximize your kitchen space with the Dola-like microwave oven rack. This expandable countertop shelf features durable carbon steel construction, 3 convenient hooks, and extra storage for utensils, cookware, and tableware, perfect for keeping your microwave area neat and organized. Make food prep fun and easy with this elephant drainage vegetable washing basket. Perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and noodles, it features a clever elephant-shaped spout for quick draining. Compact, lightweight, and stylish in green, it's a cute and practical addition to any kitchen. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the two-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this microwave splatter cover. The clear lid lets you see your food while preventing messy splatters, and the built-in water steamer helps keep meals moist and delicious. With a convenient integrated handle, it's easy to lift safely after heating. Designed to fit 10-inch plates and a 12 mat, this BPA-free kitchen essential makes reheating faster, cleaner, and more convenient every day. Whip up eggs and batters effortlessly with the OXO Good Grips Egg Beater. Its smooth-turning gears and comfortable non-slip handle give you fast, consistent mixing. No electricity needed, just perfect results every time.